This is not a fashion show, but this is what happens when you book Bushu as an MC. This is the first Holy Communion hosted by Bushu. Hope you guys like the vlog. Enjoy! Her along with her family present to celebrate your big day. Anybody want to guess? 5 seconds. 5 seconds. I said it's 3. 1. Special toast song will be dedicated by her darling father. Please give them a round of applause. Games are not only for kids. Parents had no idea what Bushu had planned for them, but everybody actively participated. That your husband is very never compliment us. Get me a purse, a lady's purse, quickly, 5, 4. Get me a timer again. Okay. We had so many winners for the day. After the prize distribution, it was time for prayer, food, and dance. And the only thing we pray is